Hi guys, how to download F125 on PC or laptop. So let's get started. Now click on the search bar, type Steam into the field, and make sure you click the first official link in the results. This is important. Fake sites look almost identical. Click the Install Steam button at the top of the page, then click the blue Install Steam button again to download the setup file. One click starts the process. The second locks it in. Once Steam is installed and opened, click the search bar inside the Steam app and type F125 to find the game. Keep watching. The next step shows where to actually buy it. Scroll down the game's page to find the buying options, then click the Add to Cart button. Don't accidentally click the wrong edition. Double check before adding. Click View My Cart, then select Continue to Payment to move to checkout. This is where most people hesitate. Just follow through. Fill out your payment details and click the Purchase button. Once that's done, the game will instantly appear in your library and download section, ready to install. Hit subscribe for more quick setup guides.